Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on the 2020 Hyundai Kona. This vehicle is featured in orange metallic paint with alloy rims. On the inside we have heated seats, heated steering wheel, and backup camera. Now onto the interior, we have our door handle, speaker tweeter, window and mirror controls, as well as our speaker and storage. To the left of the steering wheel we have our controls for the vehicle, as well as our gauge cluster with screen. Steering wheel controls for cruise control on that screen. And our front seats are featured in black fabric and gray fabric. Center area, we have our center console, a manual park brake, gear selection, as well as the options for our heated steering wheel and seats. Center area, we have our charging outlets, climate controls, as well as our infotainment screen with backup camera. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can take a closer look at our Hyundai badge center caps on our alloy rims. We have our paint matched mirror caps and door handles. And then around to the back of the vehicle, we have our Kona, as well as our all-wheel drive badging. Now onto the rear interior, we have our door handle, window switch, speaker, and storage. Back of the front seats, we have our mesh magazine holders. And the rear seats are featured in black and gray fabric with fold-down center seat featuring 2 cup holders. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2020 Hyundai Kona. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.